In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with just few clicks and no experience. Hi guys, my name is Ibore, and on this channel it's all about entrepreneurship and how to make money online. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So about this video, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with just few clicks, and this method works in all countries and is very easy to do. It's guaranteed to make you money and is beginner friendly and can be scaled up to more than $100 per day. So if you are new here, consider subscribing, like and comment on this video if you like this strategy that I'm about to show you. So let's jump into the video. So the first website we are going to be looking at today is CPA offer, the CPA lead. So we are going to do CPA promotion today. So how to promote CPA lead and make $100 per day. So if you come to CPA lead, by the way, you can do it with so many sites. There are so many sites offering doing CPA offers, so you can choose to do it with different website that you want. So I choose to do it with CPA lead. So when you come to CPA lead, when you sign up, you come to offer, come to offer. By the way, I'll leave in the link in the description below my recommended way to make money online. So if you like to make quick cash online, click the first link in the description below. So when you come to the offers, you click, you can either choose all countries or maybe choose United States. When you choose United States, you choose email submit and service, and you leave all devices and all advertisers. So to load up, so these are the offers. So when you see anything that you like, anything you can promote it, you click on. So this one is nice, so we try it out. So it's basically asking, is Trump doing good job? So they're asking if Trump doing good job. So this is your link. So when you promote this offer, you will get paid 68 cents per lead. So if someone complete the task they want, you pay you 68 cents. So 68 cents. So you copy this link, close this, and then you can either come to Fiverr and search for people to do it for you, or maybe come to Pico Worker. So by the way, I'll link everything that I mentioned in this video in the link in the description below. So if you want to check it, I can click the link. There will be the links in the description below. So when you come to Pico Worker and sign up, you have they'll give you 75 cents free. So for signing up. So when you just sign up, you get $75, 75 cents sent to you in your account. So you can come here to post a job or maybe work or post a job. So let's click on small. Okay, you click on my jobs. You click on my job. So you click on small job. That is if you want to work. But in our case, we are posting a job. So you start a job. So when you start a job, you'll then be brought here. So you click on US. So you check the country that the offer want to be promoted. So if you look here, they will tell you only in US. So if you see a flag like this, that means it can only be promoted in that country. So when you come here, you click on US and then click here. And then the next option, you click on sign up categories. You click on sign up and then email sign up, email submit only. So I like to leave the speed at thousand and then the available points. So if you want to make $100 per day with 68 cents, so that means we need available positions. So we need about something like 150 or 200. Let's try 150. So times 150. So it will give us $100. So we try 150 here. 150. 15. And then here we will pay out when someone do the work for us. We pay them 10 cents. So 10 cents. So basically you pay $16.45 for all the tasks to be completed. So what's the job description? So when you come back here, you copy this for them. You copy the job title for them. So you put it here. Job title, that's your job title. You come here and go to you copy this affiliate link, paste it here. So the second will be submit. Your email. Sign up. So that's it. So require proof for the finish of the job. So required proof. So you write something like take a screenshot. After you complete the job. Complete. Something like this. You get the idea. So after you've done that, you just submit here. So you clean it up. So after you finish, you just click on submit. When you click on submit, now you then go and then do the job for you and then submit their email address. So after when they submit, you then get paid for them doing the job. So if you get any value out of this video, don't forget to comment and like, and then also tell us what kind of video you like to see in the near future. And also you leave in the everything that we mentioned will be in the video description below. So do well to check it out. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.